CM 365, all about Carnatic music.
Our Carnatic music compositions are adorned with several beauties, and one of them is the Swarakshara. Now, what is this Swarakshara? We could say that it is a both literary as well as musical beauty, in the sense that when the solfa letters of the Sahityam coincide with the swaras in their respective sthanas, then this is called a Swarakshara. Obviously, then the notes Sari, Gama, Padani would only be qualified for this Swaraksharam concept. And another thing, of course, is that the Swaraksharam makes sense only in vocal music, because it is only here that we can articulate the lyrics, whereas in instrumental music, this is not possible. Now, let us look at a few Swaraksharams occurring in Varnams as well as in Kritis. A popular Varnam in Abogi that we all know, every Bodhana, where in the Charanam you see Maruba, where the syllable Ma coincides with the Swaram Ma. Or if you take another example, the Navaraga Maliga, where in the Charanam, which is set in Kambodi, you see Pada Sarogaja, Pada Sa. The syllables Padasa coincide with the Swaram Pada and Sa, and so that is a Swarakshara. Now, if you look at the Panturali Varnam, Samini, where the Swaraksharam happens on the syllable Sa. The Sa syllable as well as the Swaram coincide. Now, sometimes in the case of, it's not just about just because the Sa is there, it becomes a Swaraksharam. If you take the Sri Raga Varnam, Samini, where this syllable Sa occurs on the note Pa, so that cannot become a Swarakshara. Now, let's look at some more interesting examples in Kritis. If you take Ma, Ba, Mi, Na, Akshi, Ma, Ma, so that Ma becomes a Swarakshara. Or in the Hindolam Kriti of Papanasam Shivan, Sa, Ma, Ga, Na, Lo, La, Ne, Sa, Ma, Ga is a Swarakshara. Nalina Kanti composition of GNB, Ni, Pa, Ga, Da, Me, Gati, Ni, Pa, Ni and Pa are Swarakshars. Another composition of Papanasam Sivan, where you see that the first syllable of the Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam are Swarakshars. Parvati Nayakane, Pa, that's a Swaraksharam. In Anupallavi, Sarvabhaumane, Sa, another Swaraksharam. In Charanam, Ni Baravaya Mayal, Ni. So, Ni is a Swaraksharam here again. Or in the Jaya Manohari Kriti of Tyagaraja, Ni Bhakti Bhagya Sudha, Ni, starting on the syllable. Here, the syllable Ni and the Swaram is a Swarakshara. Or another example, Ni Sari Sati, Ni Sari Sati, where Ni Sari, all the three are Swaraksharams. Thus, Swaraksharams are very interesting to observe. So the next time you are in a concert, also look for Swaraksharams in compositions, and you will find the discovery really wonderful.